Okay everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. This is Blogger Mish. Here I test out online money making platforms and then I share with you which ones works. So from the beginning we started with the Open News Hub and a lot of people are writing content on there. They are making something out of that. I've also shared a few others. If you haven't seen, kindly subscribe to the channel, go over to the previous videos and you can take a look at those ones. So I've been offline for some time and I'm really sorry about that, but what actually happened was I got scammed. I got scammed. This particular platform sent me a text and said they wanted me to recommend their platform to my followers. At least thankfully I have some really good following since I started this platform, and these people reached out to me. They wanted to introduce their platform to me, let me recommend it to my followers, because most of the people following this platform are looking for ways and means to make something online. Okay, so they sent me a text asking me to recommend their platform to my followers, and then like I usually do, I try out the platform to see whether it actually works and I can make real money from that platform before I bring it to recommend for anyone else. So as we were talking, he said okay, what they were going to do was get a platform for me. They were going to put in some money and then I would withdraw, use that one to make the video and then put it out there for people to also get on the platform. I told them no, I don't do that kind of thing. If the platform actually works, they don't even need to pay me to recommend it for other people. So he should take me through the process. I was going to sign up, I'm going to invest, and then after I am able to actually withdraw something, then I can come back on my channel to recommend it to some people. So he took me through the process. I'm going to share all the chats that I had with them with you so that you see what is actually happening there. There are some people who have huge following. They go in, they don't care about checking whether the platform works or not, and then they come out there to put a video out for you to go and get scammed. This is not what this channel is about. If I want to recommend something to you, I will make sure it actually works and is going to benefit you before I bring it on the platform to share with you. So I went through the process. I got the platform. It's an app actually. The name is HighGold, and you will need to load the wallet of that HighGold through Binance. So I had to get Binance, create an account, go through all the processes, and then finally load the wallet. I chose the 1 month package to invest and then see what will actually come out of it. It's not a really huge amount that I invested, but at least the point here is that particular platform was a scam. I did the investments, I traded for a whole month, and then the initial investments that I made doubled. So like the profit was a double of what I invested earlier on. So I decided to make a withdrawal of the profit, then I could invest again for another month, and if it works, then I would come onto the channel and then recommend it to my followers and anyone who would have come across my video. When it was finally time for me to make a withdrawal, I started having issues with platform. I started having issues with the platform. I made a complaint. They actually have support groups both on WhatsApp and Telegram. I complained, I realized other people were also complaining, and still the issue wasn't resolved until finally I got locked out of the account and the account was completely wiped out. The account was completely wiped out of the platform. And now when you try accessing the platform, all you get is an error message telling you can't access the platform. So that is what happened. I actually had a very long chat with this person who wanted me to make the video, and in fact he actually shared some videos with me of what other people who had channels had done for them, and people had actually recommended this platform and it had really gone far. So a lot of people had also gotten onto it, and I guess all those people have been scammed as well, because I couldn't make any withdrawal off that particular platform and the account was finally taken off the platform. During this particular period when I was testing this platform, the guy kept pestering me to bring my friends, kept pestering me to recommend the platform, and then they were going to pay me. They asked me to actually make a video for them recommending their platform, that it was genuine, you could invest and then make a profit off that particular platform. I don't know if there's anyone who has gone on that platform and has made anything, but I couldn't make anything. I invested and then it was taken away. I will keep testing platforms, testing online money making applications and other stuff, and then the ones that will genuinely work and I can actually make something of it, I will come here, share it with all of you, and perhaps someone can also make something of that. I tested the Opera News Hub, I wrote some articles, and then I got paid actually. That is why I came and recommended, and I see a lot of people saw that video and have I don't know, some have gone on the platform. Of other people who have also gotten in touch with me also asked me about travel issues, because earlier on I made a video about 3 ways to travel out of your country. Either you travel as a student, you travel with an employment visa, or you travel as a tourist and then later find a job and get a residence permit. Yeah, a lot of people have also asked me about that. So I will be making some videos on the travel aspects, and as and when I get a platform that actually pays real cash, then I would come and then make a recommendation of that. So it's going to be on travel and then how to make money online actually. But you can trust me that whatever I come out here to put on this particular channel, you are very sure to know that it's going to work, because I am going to test it and make sure it works before I come out here to make a recommendation for you. So kindly subscribe and then hit the notification button so that anytime I drop a new video, you get notified and you can watch it. Perhaps one of the videos I will be making would be exactly what you were looking for to break through.